Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. Anthony's shirt.
Fit check, motherfuckers. Let's go. Monster Energy, Supercross, Nashville, Tennessee.
Where are we?
We are at the Nissan Stadium in Nashville, Tennessee at Supercross race.
I just breastfed and I'm starving. I'm so ready to eat.
I'd ask those.
Anybody else coming?
We got to our suite and they did a little tribute for Meemaw in the ranch, and now we're looking for a potty.
Our restrooms up here on the right? Yes, sir. Right on the right.
It's a Loretta Lynn's family. Great memories of competing.
Cheering for Chase Sexton because he has the best outfit. He won.